Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another TRX video. Today I'm going to show you how much dividends I'm earning. Okay, so I just recorded a 15-minute video and it didn't work, in which I actually showed everything. So I'm just going to go through it quickly now. I'm in T2X. In this, I'm earning roughly 3,700 TRX per day, which is around $100 right now. You guys can see all of my active stakes right here. If you want to see more about this, check out the tutorials on my channel. So I'm kind of going through all the things I'm in, just showing you right now. I'm in Toucanaire, I have liquidity, and I have some tokens. So I'm staking my liquidity, earning 18.3 tokens per day. I'm taking those tokens over to dark matter, darkmatterharvest.io, and I'm staking them. I'm also staking some dark matter liquidity. So I'm not going to be selling my dark matter right now. There's only 15,000 of them, so pretty scarce. So I want to see how it plays out, see what the team comes up with. I think these could be pretty valuable in the future. I'm also in Bankroll Stronghold, earning dividends there. I withdrew about 100. Pretty much all of my TRX is in Sun TRX liquidity pool right now. So you can see I have 221,000 TRX in there. I'm selling off a little bit of my Sun over here on JustSwap. I'm keeping like 12.5 right now. We'll see how this goes, but I'm just selling off a little bit of all of this stuff. I'm moving it around, I'm collecting dividends, and I'm earning about $100 per day. I'm not cashing out or anything, I'm just growing my TRX balance. Overall, I've purchased about 150,000 TRX, and I believe those are around 3 cents each. So I've invested about $4,500 in all in TRX. You can see I now have 221,000 just staking. So you can continue to get dividends and grow your balance. I also have all these other tokens like T2X, Tokens, Bankroll, Dark Matter, Sun. So I'm not selling everything. If I actually sold everything, I'd probably have a lot more TRX. With my current strategy, it'd take about 45 days to ROI. If you sold everything, you could probably do it much faster in like 30 days. But I'm just continuing to do what I'm doing, growing my balance. As you can see, it's pretty effective. If you're not trying this, I mean, you're just missing out. To be honest, you should be looking into this stuff and trying it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might wear